Hello everyone, myself Karthik Garg. I am from IIM College Greater Noida and I am pursuing my BTech degree in C++. Today we will learn something about C++ and its features. First of all, let us see what is computer. Computers are some of the most versatile tools that we have available. They are capable of performing stunning feats of computation. They allow information to be exchanged easily regardless of their physical location. They simplify many everyday tasks and they allow us to automate many processes that would be boring to perform otherwise. However, computers are not intelligent as we are. Thus, there is a formidable language barrier between a person who wishes a computer to do something and a computer that typically requires instructions in its native language. Machine codes to do anything. So far, computers cannot figure out what they are supposed to do on their own, and thus they rely on programs which we create, which are sets of instructions that the computers can understand and follow. I hope you all understood the meaning of computers. Now, let's learn something about programming language. What is a programming language? A programming language is a formal language which comprises a set of instructions that produce various kinds of output. Programming languages are used in computer programming to implement algorithms. Most programming languages consist of instructions for computers. They are programmable machines that use a set of specific instructions rather than general programming languages. Now moving forward, let us talk about some introduction of C++. C++, as we all know, is an extension to C language and was developed by Bijan startup at the Bell Laboratories. It is an intermediate level language as it comprises a conformation of both high level and low level language. As you can see, there it is. Okay, it is also an object oriented programming language. I hope you all know a little bit about C++, like it was made by whom and where, or it is an extension of which language. Now, let us move forward and talk about some features of C++. As you can see, there are so many features like object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a programming style which is associated with the concepts like class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism. It is platform independent also. C++ is platform independent. It is carefully formulated so that a valid C++ program would have the same behavior on every platform. It is simple, it is high level programming language, it is popular, it is case sensitive. In other words, uppercase and lowercase letters are considered to be different. A variable name age is different from capital A G E, which is different from all capital words A G E. Let me show you. When word blank document we will take. As you can see, this age is equal to this age, which is also equal to this age. But as you can see, it is equal, it has the same meaning in English, but these things do not have same meaning in C++ world. I hope you understood this. Now let's move forward and we will talk about more features of C++. This compiler based, it has dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation in C++ refers to performing memory allocation manually by programmer. Dynamically allocated memory is allocated on heap and non-static and local variable gets memory allocated on stack. It has existence of libraries, speed, and it has speed too. Now let us move forward and tell you something more about setting up of C++ development environment. C++ is a general purpose programming language and widely used nowadays for competitive programming. It has imperative, object oriented and generic programming features. Before we start programming with C++, we will need an environment to set up on our local computers to compile and run our C++ program successfully. Or if we do not want to set up a local environment, you can also use online IDEs for compiling a program. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. IDE is a software application that provides facilities to a computer programmer for developing software. For example, online GDP. Now I'm going to show you a basic C++ program, which is this. As you all can see, these both are the header files, which are hash include iostream.h and hash include corner.h. About these header files I will tell you later. This is void main, this is clear screen. Clear screen is used for clear screen is used for uh, whenever we uh, whenever we run our program. As you can see on the black part, we have written welcome to the world of C++. But if we don't use clear screen and run the program again, this previous welcome to the world of C++ will not be erased, and it will show double welcome to the world of C++. Now I will show you the most basic program of C++ by coding. Let me make it full screen. It's used alt enter. Oh, yes, here we go. Now let me show you. Hash include. Now I'm gonna show you the output without the use of clear screen. See out, just a second. See out. Oh, sorry. This. Now getch. Getch is basically used to stop the screen. As you can see, I have put getch, and when I will compile the program. Oh, just sorry, it's there. So F9. Oh, it's having. Oh, sorry, I missed, wrongly put P there. It's Control F9. Yeah, as you can see, it is the output. Welcome to the world of C++. Now we are gonna run it again without using clear screen. As you can see, it is printed again. Now we will use clear screen, which is CLRSCR. Now we'll run the program again. As you can see, first time, then another time, no repetition of the same sentence. I hope you all liked the video. Thank you.